Hello, my brethren. Careful of what we drink. Anything that contain liquid that we drink now, be careful of it. Careful of water. Careful of zobo. Careful of soya milk. Be careful of tiger nuts. Careful of anything that you are drinking that is liquid. Water, zobo, soya milk, tiger nuts. Be careful of them. There's outbreak of cholera in Nigeria now. There's outbreak of cholera in Lagos State and some other part of northern states. That is what we are facing now. We are seeing now, and they have killed some people. Now, they have died a lot of people in the country. They have died up to 100 people now in the country. So we all need to be careful. Be careful of the water you drink. Careful of this soya milk you drink. Be careful of zobo you drink. Be careful of tiger nut. All those things that are locally made. Be careful of them because you don't know where they get the water to feed them. That is the problem. You don't know where they get the water. Some water they bring it from well. Some they bring it from stream and they use it to prepare it. Some they are not even boiling it, they don't treat the water. And mind you, the kind of water you are taking now. Mind the kind of water you drink, mind the kind of zobo you drink, mind the kind of soya milk you take, mind the kind of kunu you are taking. This one is not government to come and help me or not. No. You don't need government to come and help you to save your life. You need to save your life, my brother. Our government don't have any business to do with this one. We have to take care of us, take care of ourselves by ourselves. That's why I'm passing this information now. There's outbreak of cholera in the country. There's outbreak of cholera in the country. It's in the Lagos now and some other states, northern side of Nigeria. So one need to be careful. You don't have to wait until you buy somebody in your family, or in your village, or in your community, or in the area you are living before you start taking prevention. No. They say that prevention is better than cure. You have to take care of yourself. Forget government. Governments don't send you message. They will not do anything. They can't do everything for us. You need to save your life. First. Yes, you first. So you save your life. There's a saying in my language that police means that you have to be struggling before the helper will come. You have to be doing something before the helper will come. That is the meaning of it. So we have to do something for our life. We have to preserve our life. If you check now, the government don't have time to. They're supposed to put water everywhere. It's part of their job. But they are not doing it. Those they are not doing it. So you don't have to wait for government before you drink a clean water. Treat the water you are drinking. Make sure the water you are drinking they are clean. Make sure you treat your water. Treat them. Treat the water you are drinking. Make sure they are clean. Some of us that are drinking zobo, drinking kunu, drinking soya milk, make sure they are treated. Make sure you know the people that are preparing it and make sure you know where they are preparing it. Because you go die, and if you die, the world continue. Nobody will die because you die, and nobody will remain one place because you die. Once you die, life goes on. A lot of people will be living. Check the people that have died years back. Will not stop from living. No. People continue to live. So you have to be careful. Mind your life. Mind what you are taking. Mind what you are drinking. There's an outbreak of cholera in the country now. That is the information I want to pass out.